Inside every high-temperature furnace and every precision sensor, reliable insulation starts with the right ceramic structure. ADCERAX multi-bore alumina tubes deliver isolated channels in a single compact body, engineered for thermal, electrical, and chemical demands that standard tubing cannot handle. Each tube is formed from high-purity alumina, up to 99.7% aluminum oxide, delivering 5 distinct performance advantages. High-dimensional accuracy supports reliable assembly into precision instruments. The multi-channel design enables simultaneous gas flow or multi-point temperature sensing through a single body. Excellent thermal shock resistance reduces failure risk during rapid heating cycles. Superior electrical insulation, with volume resistivity above 10 to the 14th ohm centimeters, prevents signal interference. And broad corrosion resistance ensures stability in aggressive chemical atmospheres. The 99.7% alumina grade achieves a density of 3.92 grams per cubic centimeter and compressive strength reaching 2,550 for megapascals. Flexural strength stands at 313 megapascals with a hardness of 24 gigapascals. Thermal conductivity ranges from 33 to 38 watts per meter Kelvin, supporting efficient heat transfer. The maximum continuous use temperature reaches 1,760 degrees Celsius without structural load. Volume resistivity exceeds 10 to the 14th ohm centimeters, and dielectric strength reaches 23.4 kilovolts per millimeter, critical for high voltage isolation. ADCERAX offers 5 standard bore configurations. 2 bore tubes spin outer diameters from 1 to 16 millimeters. 4 bore variants cover 1.5 to 16 millimeters. 6 bore tubes reach up to 20 millimeters in outer diameter with bore diameters as fine as 0.2 millimeters. 9 bore and 10 bore models serve larger scale multi-sensor assemblies. Lengths extend up to 3,000 millimeters, and both open-end and closed-end configurations are available across all types. Every tube can be built to your drawing. Outer diameters range from 3 to 220 millimeters. Bore diameters cover 0.5 to 10 millimeters with custom center-to-center spacing. Choose open or closed ends, round or non-round cross-sections, and surface finishes from as fired to polished or glazed. Each tube ships individually foam-packed to prevent damage. In thermocouple protection, a single for-bore tube replaces up to 4 separate sheaths, reducing furnace wall penetrations by 60% and cutting installation time in half. Uniform wall thickness and bore spacing keep temperature deviation below 3 degrees Celsius between adjacent channels at 1,000 to 100 degrees Celsius. For sensor housing and analytical instruments, a 6-bore tube integrates 6 isolated sensor wires in a 10 mm outer diameter body, shrinking enclosure size by 35% while improving signal-to-noise ratio by 18%. In high-voltage insulation systems, the alumina bore walls withstand over 15 kilovolts per millimeter between adjacent channels, eliminating arc-over events and enabling safe routing of RF signal and power lines within one ceramic housing.